Vargas, and I will present this exhibition of a difficult puzzle, Rubik's Cube. There are a variety of toys and puzzles, but I will focus on this one, the Rubik's Cube. I think that this toy could be very special next, that accompanies you in good times and bad. But I think we all get carried away by comments of many people. Next, maintenance in relation to their supposed difficulty. That's why I decided to present this stamp, with which I intended to correct these misinterpreted ideas and make known one of my favorite quotes. In this exhibition, we will see cube information, benefits and cons, means, bodies and shopping date, records, and much more information that collects. I think most have ever had a Rubik's Cube in their life. But if you don't know what I'm talking about, it's very simple. This is a cube with a puzzle dynamic. Only by difference it's three-dimensional or cubic and made up of colors. Next. White, yellow, blue, green, red, and orange, almost used. Next. Has an internal mechanical system which makes it possible to turn and steer it without losing its cubic shape. The architect Rubik created this toy in 1974 and put it on sale since 1980 in Hungary. It was initially invented to help understand the geometry and other things for school. But we will say it now is the best-selling toy worldwide, not even tutorials or things, like that becoming Rubik from poor to millionaire. Now you know what the name of this invention, also known as Magic Cube. The truth, at first I imagined that the Magic Cube was older, but I can see that it's something recent. No. I was surprised with the amount of combinations that can be done in a cube with only 26 pieces, 9 for each face, so 9 times 6 equals 54. Because unfortunately this result is very far from reality. If we consider all the possible placement and orientation of every piece, have a little more than 43 trillions, a fact that I suppose nobody expects me or left me. I prefer not to give details of how this result comes out because I did not understand the question made. And it is based, next, to realize that you need to be a total mathematician if you want to put it together. And despite this fact, does not mean that it's very difficult, because the opposite is the problem, is that without knowledge or RP methods, you cannot do it on your own. That is why it takes the interesting and including myself initially. It is impossible for it to learn, it is possible to put it together, it is possible only for special people, blah blah blah. Being that it's only necessary to learn a basic method, nothing of years or months or weeks. To me, only goes to watch a video of 30 minutes to know how to weight this despite its different combination. And this is my collection. These are my 4x4, my 3x3, my void cube, my 2x2, other cubes, and my pyramids. So I hope this information has been useful. I am not expert in these things, but I hope that I know enough to give this date about this incredible puzzle. This is all on my part, and I hope to make the Rubik's Cube more special. And to conclude, I will solve the cube and finish with the questions. So I put the stopwatch. So I start like this. I see the cube in a moment. And yes. Okay, finish with a time of 35 seconds. So finish now the questions. Very good.